right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol CHEK, check cap. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. So we're going to see here our resistance and our support. But I want every single investor to be aware of the fact that this has had a run. This has gone up by 200%. Anybody that wants to share down below news or information or anything they found or came across, you're more than welcome to. We're just going to jump in here on the numbers that we want to pay close attention to, just to zoom on in and kind of quiet down the hype and speculation and get right into the technicals here on what the chart could be showing us. So I look forward to everybody's information down below for other investors to be aware of. But let's jump in here and see what CHEK, check cap stock, is showing us. So this hit new highs that we have not seen before, probably in a while, almost a whole entire year, since way back at the beginning of 2020. Seems like it likes to run up, right, towards the beginning of a year, but the fact that it ran up there, was trying to recover. This has actually been in a downward trend, and it took a whole year for it to run up. So it definitely had to do with some news or something with any technology. So anybody that wants to share it, I mean, I can look it up, but I just want to jump in directly into these numbers so that you guys are aware. And like I said, anybody that wants to share articles or anything down below, I encourage that. I appreciate that. And remember, you guys all have a voice. It's not just my voice and these charts here on the screen. So let's see here. The 50-day moving average is 83 cents. As long as we're above that, we're in bullish territory. The moment we're below that, we're in bearish territory. So I want every single investor to be aware of that and write that down. So our support here, very important, and it's 119. If that gets crossed, we could end up on our way closer to the 50-day moving average. Doesn't mean that the bulls can't reappear, because there's still room between 119 and 83 cents for the bulls to reappear and bring this back up. So keep that in mind. Very important to watch for that and watch the behavior of this stock. Now, the midway point that I would use is up here at 151, and even you can use here at 161 before waiting for this support to kind of dissect within those 2 points right there. However you feel best, use one or the other to kind of dissect how this is doing, leaning closer towards this support, because this support is not that far from the 50-day moving average. And if you think about it, that's almost like an 80-cent drop waiting for support, or 70-cent drop waiting for support to make a decision. So you want to watch carefully how this stock is doing, and it could touch one of these supports here at 161 or 151 and bounce right back up, or cross them and watch the behavior between one of those points and 119 and see if it holds up above 119 if it was to go in that direction. Now we have on the other side of the spectrum our resistance level, and this needs to be broken through by the bulls. 223. 223 needs to be broken through by the bulls and turn into a support. So I want every single investor to be aware of that. And when we pull up the MACD here, there are some important things to watch for. And you can see that it's been pulling itself up. There hasn't been a drop yet of red. So these green bars, as they continue to grow, this blue and yellow orange line will continue to grow with it, and the momentum will continue. So if they continue in that upward direction, like you can see here, staircase effect and growing, staircase effect and continue to grow, and no light green, it won't level off the stock. If anything, it will continue to break through resistance levels and reach newer highs. So you definitely want to watch for that tomorrow morning and pay close attention to these numbers. I hope that with this video and these cues, you guys are well equipped for tomorrow's trading day. Share this with your friends and community. If you're a first-time viewer, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on that bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.